Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I hope everybody's still staying safe, staying at home, sanitizing. Yeah, and I hope you're not going crazy for not fishing. This morning I just want to share a FG knot, or my version that I use. I've basically combined two different FG knots that I've got over the years on YouTube, and yeah, so this one's probably also been done on YouTube before, but yeah, this is just my version. It was actually a friend of mine's son that asked me to make a video, so I might as well share it with the rest, or with everybody on YouTube. Thanks, enjoy. Okay, here we go. First up, you want your leader, or the tag end of your leader. That's the side going to your hook trace. And you want your main line or your braid. That side's going to your rod or reel. Okay, I don't put any tension on this while I'm tying it. You can use this to attach a braid leader to your main line, but yeah, I'm just going to use this thick mono just to make sure everybody see what I'm doing. Okay, so you want to place your braid over your main line like this and form basically a cross. Put it over your main line, and you want to start wrapping. You're going to start with your tag end. You're going to wrap over and under. 1. Then you're going to use the other side of your braid, and you're going to wrap under and over. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it should look like that. Now then you want to bite onto this tag end and cinch it down with these 2 ends. Let's see if I can do that on camera. Okay, it should look something like this. Then you're going to start again with your tag end. You're going to wrap under and over. 1. The other side under and over, back towards you. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're going to do the same. You're going to bite on that end and you cinch it down with these 2. And it should look something like this. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and finish off this knot. You want your tag end of your leader and your main line together. You're going to take your tag end of your main line, make a loop pinch it down, almost like a uni knot. I think it's called a risotto finish. You want to start wrap over the tag end of your leader and your main line back towards your knot about 6 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, you basically want to move these coils over to that side. So you want to unwind these coils and you'll see they'll start to form on this side. So you're going to start wrapping back over itself. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way until this side's coils are gone and formed on that side. You want to keep tension on this side of your loop, start pulling down on your tag end of your main line. Until you end up with something that looks like this. Okay, then you want to get yourself a pair of gloves or something to protect your hands. And then you can pull as hard as you can just to cinch this down. That's going nowhere. Okay, now we just need to finish up and clean up this knot. Trim your tag ends, leave a little bit. Don't trim it right next to the knot, you gotta leave some. I just want to try and get this on camera. About that much. Same goes for this side. Okay. Then with your fingers, take a lighter, melt your mono, or burn your mono till you have a little, like a little mushroom head on the end, like that. Same goes for the braid. And there you you go. One really strong FG knot.